Welcome to WanderStock LMS. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly register multiple animals into your farm database using the bulk Excel import feature. Let's get started by navigating to wanderstock.net or opening your Android app, entering your credentials, and logging in. From your main dashboard, look at the sidebar menu on the left and select the Livestock tab. This will take you directly to your Livestock directory. In your Livestock directory, find the action buttons located at the top right above your animal table and click Import Excel. If you don't have the formatted spreadsheet yet, click the Template at XLSX button in the top right to download our official template. Make sure required fields like tag ID, animal type, breed, date of birth, gender, location, and owner are filled in accurately. Once your file is ready, simply drag and drop it or click Select File to upload. If your spreadsheet contains new locations, owners, or generation levels not yet saved in your settings, WanderStock flags them automatically. Choose whether to create them as new items or map them to existing options in your system, then click Proceed to preview. Set your duplicate resolution rule to determine how existing records are handled. Verify that your rows show a green valid status badge and click Complete Import. And you're done. The directory updates immediately, recalculating your herd count and valuations in real time. Thank you for using WanderStock, smarter livestock management made simple.